O you who believe. Avoid most suspicion, some suspicion is sinful. And do not spy on one another, nor backbite one another. Would any of you like to eat the flesh of his dead brother? You would detest it. So remain mindful of God. God is most relenting, most merciful.
See, the comment is if I were. If I were. And then after that, what? For example, Akib, what are you?
I'm a student.
You are a student, no. What are you? You're a student, no. What are you?
I'm a student.
Okay. If the person is a doctor, he would say he's a doctor. If you put forward same question to engineer, he would say he is an engineer. Clear? So, if you put forward this question to me and Muhammad Nawaz Sharif, he would say Prime Minister. Honey, if I were a student, if I were the Prime Minister of Pakistan, if I were the Chief Minister of Punjab, if I were a police officer, if I were a lawyer, what's left? Again, if I were second, where? If I were excellent. Very good. If I were know that from, if I were from 47 MB, अगर मैं 47 MB का होता, if I were fit today, अगर आज मैं fit होता, if I were fit, if I were happy, if I were sad, clear? फिर तीर मार लो. I would, if I were fit today, I would teach you properly. I would not discuss something special. Or if I were fit, forget about today now. If I were fit, no, I would have started the lesson earlier. फर्क पता चला? If I were fit, I would do something different. I would do something different. No, अगर मैं fit होता कोई different करता. The first example. Second, would have and V3. If I were fit, I would have started this class earlier. तो ये मैं class क्या कर चुका होता जी? I would have started it no earlier. बैठा रहे ना लो चलो शायद बंदे कुछ तवानाइयाँ regain करे अगर कितने पहचानते. You got it? Akib?
Yes.
Sure. Okay, first, if I were a student, I would. What would you do?
I would work day and night.
Very good. If you were a student, you would work. No, you would work day and night. So, honey, if you were a student,
I would attend the class regularly.
very good. You would attend the class regularly. अब आप student नहीं है इसलिए आप attend नहीं करते हो regularly. लेकिन बात तो ठीक है. If I were a student,
I would attend the class regularly.
अच्छा अगर student के साथ if you add something, some adjective, some quality, no, any word which makes this sentence no more meaningful. If I were a regular student.
If I were a student of 12th class,
okay,
I would go to the college.
Very good. I love you, my son. Beautiful. If you were a college student, no, so you would go to the college. You wouldn't come to Sela at this time. You would, clear? अब college आते, अब यहाँ आते. Beautiful. Second, you would have gone to the college. By now, you would have gone to the college. तो अब आप college जा चुके होते, you would not have been over here. अब यहाँ पे ना होते. Beautiful. If you were a college student, you would go to the college. If you were a regular student, you would be regular.
Yes.
तो अब regular होते, अगर आप regular होते तो चलो मानना नहीं. हाँ जी.
If I were student,
Okay.
I would get good marks.
Very good. If you were a student, no, you would get good marks, high marks. Clear?
Yes.
Ji.
If I were a judge,
Okay.
I would dispense justice properly.
Very good. Honestly.
Honest. If you were a judge, you would dispense justice honestly. Very good. No, beautiful. Ji.
If I were at home,
Okay.
I would.
Take tea. I would do breakfast.
I would take sleep.
I would have sleep.
I would have sleep.
Oh no, that's मौसम है, you know. मैं अगर परेशान कर देती
If I were in the garden,
Okay.
I would see the tree.
Very good. Very good. Ji. If he were at his home, he would sleep. Clear? If I were not that inside my house, no, I would ask my wife to make a cup of tea. Clear? First clear. Ji.
If I were at a shop,
Okay.
I would help my father.
अगर आप शॉप पे होते तब्बू की मदद करते Clear? No, you are over here. What are you doing? You are at Silla and you are learning English. You are participating now that in this discussion, no, in this talk. You are sharing your ideas. So if you are over there at the shop, you would help your father. Ji.
If I were DCU, then I would give the orders to all the district officers.
Very good. If you are DCO, you would order all your subordinates, no, to do their activities how professionally,
Correct.
correctly, very good, honestly, or very good. जी, ये तो मैंने एग्जांपल दी थी. अगर मैं होता तो ये करता, please.
If I were a teacher,
If you were a teacher,
I would clear the concepts of the children.
very good. If you अब और करीब आ जाए, अब मैं बताता हूँ, अब इंतजार करें, मैं बताता हूँ, इधर खड़े हो, थोड़ा सा ऐसे, ऐसे आके, ठीक है जी, आप इसी हिसाब से ऐसे करीब हो जाए, सीधा नहीं, आप नजर आओ, ठीक हो गया, आप इधर आ जाए, आप आगे आ जाए, ठीक हो गया, हाँ जी बेटा.
If I were a teacher,
If you were a teacher,
I would construct a good base for the student.
Very good. Beautiful. You would lay a very strong foundation of the students for their studies. Very good. Ji. Clear? Ji, please.
If I were a businessman,
Okay.
I would earning honestly.
I would earn.
Yes, sir.
If you were a businessman, you would earn money honestly. Clear? If I were a milkman, I wouldn't mix water with the milk.
If I were a writer, I would write logically.
Very good. If you were a writer, you would write logically, rationally, clearly, with clarity. Clear? According to the level of the readers. Very good. Wow, bhai, love you. Ji.
Me too, sir.
साजी नेड़े जो यार पीछे एकदम बस दो कितना मतलब आगे आवाज बढ़ो.
If I were a policeman, I work honestly.
I would work. आप अपना. If you were a policeman, you would work honestly. No, you would not. You wouldn't accept bribery. You wouldn't know. You can say you wouldn't help know the criminal.
If I were a carpenter, I would made the proper stand of the mic.
Very good. You would make a proper stand for the mic. Very good. Ji.
If I were president,
If you were the president, okay, what would you do?
I would make Pakistan peaceful place.
Excellent. I love you, my son. I love you, my son. You would make Pakistan peaceful state, peaceful place. Very good. Beautiful. Ji.
If I were a cricket player,
Okay.
I wouldn't fix the match.
Very good. If you were a cricketer, you wouldn't fix the match. Very good. Ji.
If I were a lawyer,
Okay.
I would not tell a lie.
You wouldn't tell a lie. If you were a lawyer, you wouldn't tell a lie. यार वकील झूठ नहीं बोलते, किसने कहा यार, ये तो पता नहीं अजीब, ये झूठ हर
It's a general
केस तो लेते हैं ना.
It's a general perception.